All right, guys, we're back in the woods today. Got the backpack full of camera stuff. Got the sky cam all set up, ready to go. We're done with the big pile. We're on to another burn pile. Think we can get it going? You just got to stay tuned to find out. All right, guys, so here's what we have today. Let's just climb up here and give you a little bird's eye view. Let's just do that. See, we got the chainsaw, got the weed burner down there. This is all we're doing today. Just these little trees right here. That's it. Down to that pile there. This one should go a little bit smoother. Not as much punky wood. It's pretty much all good wood. I'm hoping a 1 or 2 day burn on this. So let's see if we can get going. Step one, some propane. Cooking good in there. Close, not too close. Coming up through. So, we're gonna head on down. We'll cut some of those tops up, quite a bit of it, and just start packing it down, throwing it on. This one should go quick for us. Yes, 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 yes. We got all that, which wasn't much, but it's all cut up, thrown on there, good old-fashioned TP style. Come down here around the bottom side, you can see we got everything scraggly hanging off this side. Well, let's do the same thing. Let's cut it off, TP it on the fire. Let's do that all the way around this bad boy. Get this thing gone. Guys okay up there? I lost you again. I lost you again. I'm not even sorry, because we're making progress. You know the deal, she's cooking hot. We got all this stuff cut off this side. Throw it up on TP style, moving on around. Got that side done, just came off that time-lapse. This is the first side we threw on. It's cooking really well. You wanna get close for a second? You wanna go down to the bottom for a second? You wanna get in there? Don't get in there too far, good God. But it is hot in there, it's cooking great. We got this is the last little bit of mess. Nothing to it, nothing to it. Well, we got that stump, not a big deal. I don't know, you wanna sit on that log? Let's sit on that log. hot. Get on. Okay, okay, all right. So we got her cut up, TP'd together pretty daggone well. She's going hot. Now listen, I'm gonna do something I don't normally do, and I'm gonna put some trust in you guys. I'm gonna go back to the house for a couple hours, and I'm gonna leave you out here on a time lapse. Don't do anything to embarrass me. And let's see how this fire burns down. So this time lapse didn't turn out exactly how I'd hoped it would. It's a little shakier than I thought, but if you can watch through the wobbles, I do think it's pretty neat to see the fire lick out every now and then and see how it burns down. So I hope you guys find it interesting. I thought it was kind of neat. Enjoy. All right, it's been 2 hours. Well, burnt down 2 hours. Here's the before picture. Here's where we are now. Let's walk down there and get a closer look. She burned up real nice, real nice. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get the tripod. We'll set it up somewhere over here. I'm gonna get this thrown together. And while I throw it together, I'm gonna tell you a funny story that happened a couple weeks ago while I was doing some Christmas shopping. All right, so yes, I'm wearing my face shield to throw these logs on the fire. It's a multifaceted device, protects me from the embers as well. Why not, right? Okay, here we go. So a couple weeks ago, I'm out buying the girls a Christmas gift. I have 2 daughters, and I'm out buying them a Christmas gift. We're getting them a hamster cage from PetSmart. Now, most of you guys know I work 24-hour shifts. What you also need to know for this story is I drive a 2000 Subaru Outback. And the third thing you need to know is every now and then we do what's called a timeout. It's where we go fill in at another station if somebody's sick or on vacation, that kind of thing. So I was scheduled to do a timeout the next day, which means I had all of my station stuff in my car with me. All of my bedding, so my blankets, my pillows, both of my duffel bags, my duffel bag for my turnout gear, everything stuffed into this little car sitting in the parking lot at 7:30 in the morning at PetSmart. I see this lady approaching me. I don't think anything of it. She comes up, she knocks on my window. I roll my window down. I say, "Yes, ma'am." And she said, "Well, I just want to make sure you were okay." And I said, "Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for checking." And then she reaches into her purse to pull out money and says, "Well, here, let me help a little bit." Guys, she thought I was homeless. So, faith in humanity for her offering to help, completely restored. Faith in my public image, I don't know. It's a little damaged. All right, hope you got a good chuckle out of that story. Makes me laugh every time I think about it. We're all thrown together here as much as I'm going to. That'll burn down to whatever it burns down to. This one's small enough that we can just take the tractor when it's all said and done, shove whatever's left down that ditch. So let's walk down the road and show you what we got coming up. All right, so now we walked up the road a little bit. There's that fire we were just working on right now. See the smoke coming up from it. Walked up the road a little bit. We got this one. A little bit further down the line, we got that one. And then right there in the distance, that one. Now that's the one we tried to burn in this video. It never did take off. So it's already stacked and cut and ready to go. That log we'll cut out for firewood. We'll burn the tops, burn those tops. And that's where we're at. So let me flip you around. Here's why we're doing what we're doing. Obviously, we're building a road through here. It'll end up on that end down there. That's where we're putting the YouTube yacht. But before we do that, we're kind of cramped for space. So I'm bringing the dozer up here in a couple of weeks, which it's gonna be a treat because I'm okay on a track hoe, I'm okay in a truck, I'm okay on a skid steer. I am not okay on a dozer. That's that's what we call a shit show. It's gonna be entertaining. Anyway, we're gonna blade off obviously all the topsoil and rough in some ditches. And these piles, even though those piles aren't in the way of the actual road per se, they are in the way of where that dirt is going to end up. So instead of having these piles, cramming dirt onto them and then trying to dig this stuff out later to clean it up, might as well just get it all cleaned up and burnt now. That way I don't have to mess with it. And when we come up here with the dozer, there's nothing in our way. Because trust me, I need all the handicap help I can get on that daggone thing. Yep, so that is it for this one. One last look at this feller. She's cooking good. That's what I love, coming out here and in one day getting that pile knocked out and taken care of. Hopefully that's the way it'll go with those last few piles. And I cannot wait to get that dozer out here and get moving with that. You guys should be excited about that too, because like I said, it's going to be entertaining. All right, thanks for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Like, comment, all that fun stuff. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. Lots of great content coming up. Catch y'all on the next one. Camera looks a little rough. You guys need like a face shield or something. Maybe not made for that heat.